The change of base law, this is the fourth log law that we're going to be dealing with, and it's a useful law to solve complicated questions and log equations. Now the law says, if you have log of x to the base a, you can change that to a base of your choice. So log of x to the base a will be log of x to the new base over log of a to the new base. And the base here is base n. Now the choice of base must be considered carefully, because the choice of base must help you to simplify a question and not complicate it further. So in example 1, I have log of 81 to the base 27, and I'm asked to simplify this without a calculator. So this is a good question to apply the change of base law. Now, what will the choice of base be? I could choose base 10, and I could write it as log of 81 over log of 27. And I can simplify this by factorizing 81 and 27, but I'm going to choose base 3. And why I've chosen base 3 is because I see that 27 is 3 cubed, and 81 is 3 to the 4. So I'm going to rewrite this with base 3. So log of x to the base a, so log of 81 to the base 27, is log of x to the new base. So it's going to be log of 81 to the new base, which is 3. And then this is going to be over log of a to the new base. So a is 27 in this situation. So this is going to be log of 27 to the base 3. So I have already prime factorized the numbers 27 and 81. So I'm going to rewrite this as log of 81 to the base 3 will be log of 3 to the 4 to the base 3 over log of 3 cubed to the base 3. Right. So applying the power rule, I know that log of x to the m equals to m log of x, and if the base is a, I write the base as a. So the power rule allows me to rewrite the exponent as a number or as a coefficient. So this is going to give me 4 log of 3 to base 3 over 3 log of 3 to the base 3. Now I have one of two options of simplifying this further. Log of 3 to the base 3 can divide into itself, or I know that log of any number to the same base has a value of 1. So log of 3 to the base 3 is 1. So I can rewrite this as 4 times 1 over 3 times 1. But in the end, my result is 4 over 3. So looking at this question, if we had written it as base 10, let's just continue from there. If we had not chosen base 3, but we chose base 10. So then I'm going to write the word or here to show you that this is another way of doing it. So log of 81 to the base 27, if we had chosen base 10, would have been log of 81 over log of 27. So we know that 81 is 3 to the 4, so we're going to again write it as log of 3 to the 4 over log of 3 cubed. Once again, we apply the power rule, so this gives me 4 log of 3 over 3 log of 3. And the log 3 divides into log 3, because 4 log 3 implies 4 multiplied by log 3 times 3 multiplied by log 3. The log 3's divide into one another, and you get the same answer. You get 4 over 3. Just to make you aware that if I look at log of 81 over log of 27, I may not simplify by saying 3 divides into 81, or 3 divides into 27, or 9 goes into 81 9 times, and 9 goes into 27 3 times. You cannot simplify your numbers when you have log of a number. You have to calculate the value of the log of that number and then simplify after that. So we're applying the change of base law in our second example, because once again we asked to simplify without the aid of a calculator. We have log of 2 to base 3 multiplied by log of 5 to base 2 multiplied by log of 9 to base 5. So I have 3 different bases. Now the choice of the new base is going to be complicated, but having a closer look at this, can you see you have the number 2 and then you have the base 2. You have the number 5 and then you have the base 5. You have the number 3 and then you got 3 squared, which is 9. So what base would I change it to? In this situation, I think the best is to change it to base 10. So log of 2 to the base 3 will be written as log of 2 over log of 3. Just remember that log of 2 to the base 10 is written as just log of 2, and this is the common log. Right, log of 5 to the base 2 will be written as log of 5 over log of 2. And log of 9 to the base 5 is log of 9 divided by log of 5. So just looking at this question, you immediately see that there's going to be numbers that can divide into each other and we can cancel. But we know that log of 9 can be written as log of 9 is 3 squared. And using the power rule, I can rewrite 3 as a coefficient of the log. The 2 is a coefficient of the log. So this becomes 2 log 3. So I rewrite my sum is log of 2 over log of 3 times log of 5 over log of 2. Obviously, you could have already cancelled here. Times log of 3 squared, so it's going to be 2 log 3 over log of 5. So let's divide. So we see log of 2 divides into log of 2. Log of 5 divides into log of 5. Log of 3 divides into log of 3, because 2 log 3 is 2 times log of 3, and I can cancel the log of 3, which is a factor. And at the end, I get, if I multiply all of the values in my numerator, I have 2 over 1, so my final result is 2.